not cease. Eternities come through the sun, as the redeemed sing the song of the Lamb. All the heavenly host throughout the universe praise the Father and the Son and the Holy Ghost. Praise the Father and the Son and the Holy Ghost, as all proclaim God is love.